I come in peace this year, 2026. Please let us understand ourselves. Even if I have offended you, all Biafrans at large, I am pleading, both home and abroad. If I have offended you in anywhere, any them ability men kojo, Allah Biafra weapon them that day. Any them ability make kidnapping, like this struggle, Allah Biafra weapon them. What eh hona? Everybody la un lebom. Like where? All the qualify bara. Everybody la un lebom. Oh, na mo ifa chukwu current as a wunyeli la unu kukam na ema. Chukwu ka bia masinge. Were on let them. Man okwala no wepa Allah Biafra. Mana owo na yedo ta ade na owe bubo kale bo wanke mmadu. Nna mbo no ndo se bo munyele ebu nwata na emema ade ebu nwata. Asimo lele ilu unu ha. Ku unu ebe unu bidoro ebe unu kwụsị. Oh, sir. And also, I want to appreciate Biafrans. Mandi mere ekpere mandi goro ofo. Which I know, and that from the results. Because I know that in any atom of something like this, there must be the ones that will hate you, and there must be the one that like you. So I want to tell Biafrans today that the poison that we ate, we have considered. We are alive today. And that's why I'm coming out, because I believe that when the Truth is Power was telling Biafrans, addressing Biafrans, that very soon as possible, that I will come up to address Biafrans. I believe that many couldn't believe it. Even when Jacob himself came up with voice and later made a broadcast, live broadcast, people doubted it. On my own, many might doubt it, because for those that have been spreading the news that I am a dead person, that all of us B44, OWAM, with the triple generals, with some of the major generals in 40 state of Biafra that ate the poison together with us. I know today that many could believe, many may not believe. Many may say AI. No, this is me, Gentle the h0o, onye eziokwu in Biafra land. We are not you. Here am I, and this place is a place I got my recovering. And here am I till today, which I won't mention name. But I strongly believe that the God in heaven and the gods of the land must bless the Odogu that God used to heal me and also heal other generals. You get? So I want to appreciate him one more time for his efforts. And I want Biafrans to appreciate our people in Calabar, because we are everywhere. I don't want to talk much on that. Now, I want to say this. Ima, asi na onye chọrọ igbu nwa nkịta ya, ọ chọọ aja aha, were ba nwa nkịta ya tupu ọ chụọ ya ka o gbuo. Man, thank God, this one made known to all Biafrans. I was in a sick bed when they threw allegation on me. When I was struggling to survive for the poison that they gave to us by the people of the people, which I'm going to narrate the story on my next coming back to address the entire world. So I just came up today with few things to tell Biafrans for them to celebrate that all their prayers has been answered, and Biafra is here, whether they like it or not. That Biafra is here. And also to debunk the 3 men that was shot to death, that they throw the allegation that they said that it's me. I am not the one. And I am still repeating myself, I am not the one that killed the 3 people. And I want Biafrans to investigate this thing that I'm saying properly, because this has been a very big problem that we are having. Actually, the Kobo boys caught one guy that has a mark with 2 of his friends. They shot 3 of them to death, throwing allegation on the other boy that he is my man. He's one of my guys. That is why they killed him. That is why they killed him. That is why they killed the 3 men. And they tagged my voice on that video. What evidence do they have? Someone that is struggling to survive in a sick bed, and they are still throwing allegation on somebody that can't even talk. My breathing then was so critical, but they were still throwing allegation on top of my head. So I came up today the same way I debunked the incident that happened at h0o, and I am still saying it till today and tomorrow. I am not involved, and I am not included, and I don't know where they plan it, I don't know how they plan it, and I don't know the people that did the massacre in h0o till today. I am still saying it. Oh, na marakwa ihe banyere ihe h0o massacre. Biafra. I am still taking this oath. But it's quite unfortunate that this idiot that calls himself Ebe Kuodike Aririakaria is still deceiving the people of h0o today. I am not surprised. I am not surprised, but Ubochi Akoko, Oyadika Marajuabo, and Abachosa Agorima. That one, by the way. Secondly, please, Finland, this one is coming directly to your table. I believe that by now, you people would have find out all the things that has happening. Now they throw allegation that Simon Ekman was the one that commenced sit at home. Nnamdi Kanu was the one that commenced sit at home. Finland, please, release Simon Ekman before it will be too late for you people. And I want the international community to investigate Finland properly. Because I strongly believe that Finland government, the Finnish government, has a very concrete agreement, a planned deal with Nigerian government. That business centers area that calls themselves a country. Your own citizen that you know too well, that have been a military, a former military in your own country. Your own citizens that is into politics in Finland, you know too well, because of money. Didn't you think very well? The oil that they are using to fight against Biafrans, who's people that have it? Can't you reason? Don't you believe that tomorrow we might go into deal with you tomorrow because of the oil? Okay, in that business country that calls themselves Nigeria, there is a gold in the north. And the Boko Haram, Swamp, ISIS, they occupy that area by all those caliphates. And justly because of the oil we have in that land, southeast, everyone is making use of it. Biafrans, can't we reason? Igbos, can't we reason? Even if I thought you say you are not a Biafran, thank God we all are Igbos. But Igbos, can't we reason? Can't we come to our normal senses? What is our problem? Why we are why we are behaving as if we have the brain? Why we don't have the brain? Why can't we come together? The time is now. Let Igbos come together. Let us fight this fight once and for all. Finland, I am alive. Remember that Nigerian governments have come to you people. They have been telling you people since that they have caught Gento the Yahoo. That I have committed a lot of atrocities committed by the Simon Ekpa and your citizen. Now here am I. Where are the truths? Where are the truths? Where the truth is? The truth, you know, where is the truth? These are the country you are having a deal with, planned deal with. These are the same country that are using you to jail your own citizen. And let's stop. Can't you reason? I thought you said you are a wise man. Release your citizen. Release Simon Ekpa. He did nothing to these people. I am alive. I am not dead. I am not in their dungeon. I am not in their dungeon. They cannot hold me. They can't hold me. They can't tamper me. I am above them. I am above them. Rather, I will be the one to hold them. They cannot hold me. They can't hold me. Who they think they are? If not because of the longer throat of our people. If it's not because of our own people. Who is Nigeria to tamper Biafrans? Biafrans, please. Igbos, let us come together. Let us reason. I come in peace this year, 2026. Please let us understand ourselves. Even if I have offended you, all Biafrans at large, I am pleased. Both home and abroad. I am pleased if I have offended you in anywhere. Because everyone has his or her own gift. I have my own gift. And that my own gift was planted to me by the Creator. To fight this battle. Why can't we join hands together? What have you been benefiting from Nigeria? What have you been benefiting from all this funny caliphate? Just to transform our land. just to turn our land to Islamic nation. Is that all you want? No, it can never work. And by the power bestowed upon me by my master, Triple General, all the whole commanders in 40 states of Biafra, listen very carefully. Anywhere you see an Igbo man practicing or being a full member of Islam in Igbo land, deal with that person. Don't deal with that person and look back. Because they have killed us enough. They have slaughtered Christians enough. We only have 3 major worship in Igbo land. 1, Jewish. Secondly, we accept Christian. But we know that Christian is a thing that they brought to us. Just to use it and deceive us. We accept it. 3, our culture. Our Delala. That these are the 3 major worshippers that we have in this Igbo land. Nothing like Igbo Muslim. Yeah, it's out. Nothing like Igbo Muslim. They thought they have killed us so that they can be able to establish all their goals, all their plans in Biafra land. You people have never killed us, so when I never finish our junior ones itself, the little ones, talk less of touching the grown-up ones before getting to us. Oh, John Atokun, we are still alive. Then for you, Udele, I know you don't have shame. You don't have shame on you. You carry the news. You were the one that told the world, the entire world, the Biafras at large, that you confirmed from your rightful source that Gentle is dead. I had it and I kept it on my story, on my book. Now you don't have shame. You came down to Owerri, you were hiding yourself, doing video. After you left Owerri to Abuja, to your father's land, you now play the video. You now posted the video. Why do you insult? You say you are a man. Show up yourself. Calm down, free yourself, move around. At least in all things, I know that I'm not in Imo State, Anambra, Abia State, Ebonyi State, Enugu State. But at least I'm a free man in Igbo land. I can move around. I can move wherever I like, wherever I choose to move. Why are you hiding yourself? Stop it. So please and please, Finland, Finnish government, just if you know a way you can use something, cover your face and do the needful. Do fast and cover your face and do the needful. Release your citizen. Look at the kind of country you are doing plan deal with. You are dealing with a people that calls themselves a country with a carton of lying, with a bunch of propaganda. These are the people you are dealing with. International community, the world leaders, Trump, J. Trump, Donald J. Trump, please remember that it was after Nnamdi Kanu broadcast about Christian genocide in Nigeria. That was when he became enemy to the Northerners. Now Northerners have seen that they can never fight the fight all alone. They came up with their meeting. After the meeting, they came up fully on the line. Tell us full time that there is no any tribe that can win Igbos except to use Igbo against Igbo. And this is what they are doing. This is how Asari Dokubo was adopted by their business center called a country, Nigeria. And they give Asari Dokubo, Asari Tokubo, the pig, they give him the contract to start slaughtering Igbo youth, to start killing Igbo youth. Now Asari Dokubo boys planted his man, and his man was carrying out the mission, killing our youth, tagging it to us that we are the one killing our own people. Are we mad? Are we crazy? Are we running mad? Is there anything running with me or with all the men on ground? We'll bring a gun like this with our own people. We are not fighting our people. We are to protect life and properties of our people. And I am still standing strong saying it, that we are not against our people and we can never be against them. Yes. Please look into what is happening in this land. Asari Dokubo boys is the president terrorist in Igbo land. We are not a terrorist and we can never be a terrorist on our own land. How many churches have you sent ablaze? How many churchgoers have you adopted? How many school people have you adopted? How many schools have you set ablaze? How these people are tagging us, calling us terrorists? Why they are over there in the north painting the men terrorists, giving them a guy named nickname bandits? The men terrorists in Nigeria that are terrorizing the country, they are robbing them, painting them. Shekigumi, the head terrorists are free, walking around. Reintegrated them into the military. And it is all those terrorists that they integrated in the society. They are the ones that we are fighting. They are the ones we are fighting against. How can you bring a terrorist, match them to the military? Match them to the military, and you call yourself for a country. And you took our own men that is inside the military to Sambisa forest. When you get there, you order your Boko Haram to slaughter them. You command them not to shoot the terrorists. Then on top of it, you carry the Boko Haram, the Islam in uniform. You clothed with the military uniform. You take them down to the southeast, and they'll be slaughtering our mother, our daddy, pursuing our people from the farmland. Are you expecting us to keep quiet, to fold our hands? We said no to that. It can never happen. They can never Islamize our own units. Being the southeast is undoable. They can never try it. We are still standing strong to protect the motherland, and we are only protecting the motherland. That is all. That is why our leaders are not speaking out. That is why when you talk, they can never say anything. Rather, they will still order the terrorists in uniform to go and kill their own brothers, to go and kill their own people. Now look at what Soludo is doing in Anambra State. What business Soludo has to order somebody that owns his own shop, that he owns his own self, that is running his own business on his own way. Soludo, since you were governor of CBN, and you dropped from the governor of CBN, Soludo, what have you done in Anambra? Can't you reason? Can't you think? And 4 days ago, you had a meeting with the Fulani Caliphate at Enugu. They have instructed you on how you will carry the mission to stop the sit at home. While our own man, our own brother, our own father, our own everything is there in the hands of Fulani Caliphate in Sokoto. Soludo, and you are ordering your people to start business. Look at Sunday Boho walking freely. Look at Shekigumi, the main bandit, the main criminal, the main kidnapper that have come up online in life, telling you that IPOB is killing their men, military men. They are the same terrorists in uniform. That all this wants to kidnapping. That all this wants to kidnapping is just ordinary kidnapping, adopting, making money to use it for what? To use it and buy more ammunition. Are you expecting us not to talk? We must keep on talking. We must keep on fighting. We must keep on pushing. And we can never ever allow the terrorists in uniform to keep on killing our people. It can never happen. For you, Udele, your cup has full. I really appreciate you, Kokika Abiamada. Since I started this movement, I never mentioned your name for once. Even when you were at the prison, people we are talking. I kept quiet. I don't talk about you. I was even pitying you. I started with Udele. Udele I meant was second to Sapele. Are you a second to Sapele? The second to Sapele was Udele. And I mentioned the atrocities that we are committing, both in Anambra. I met them one-on-one. I spoke to them at Ezinifite. By the time they have been kidnapping at Ezinifite. Ask questions, they will tell you. I was the person. If I lie, make I know their life, I see Biafra. I was the person that stopped the kidnapping at Ezinifite, Anambra. Down to Akwi. I was the person that stopped it, which it was Asari Dokobo. I mean, it was a Sapele man that was doing that one then. When the Asari Dokobo have never taken up the contract. I stopped it because I met them one-on-one. I jammed them one midnight hour. We talk as man to man. I asked them why. Why Sapele is sending you people for a kind of mission like this? Kidnapping people, setting houses ablaze. It is only God. And he have already started saying my matter. He has already started defending me. Now Udele. Since that time, I mentioned Udele. Which I don't know that your name is Udele. I don't know who you are. You just started ranting around. Collecting money from the Janjaweed, Fulani Janjaweed, to threaten your own people. You are very, very stupid. You must be stupid. If for Fabara, Makogo Fabara Lishi today. If for Gawa, you can go Riku. You can go Riku. Gawa, you can go Riku the trolla, Ezopo Ono. Because of money. Makele Rata, help. You run out of money. You run out because of money. Ike nke ị ga-anọ ndụ gba ikpuru la ndụ a. Ị ga-anwụ ọnwụ, ị ga-anwụ like this, ga-anọ ndụ lele ọnwụ gị. La ya ọnwụ to come, you will not see that. Jovika, Chiamu pastor in US. Jovika, you are not a pastor, you are a 4110, 419, 10, 12, 13. You are an evil man. You people thought that you people have killed me. I am unbeatable, I am undefeatable. You can't kill me, you can't defeat me. When I say when I be king of the game, why you know nothing? Stupid elements. I did nothing to you people, and that is why I'm living strong. I am strong today. And I'll come once again to deliver, to start where I stopped, to deliver my people. Any them ability men kojo, Allah Biafra you upon them that day. Any them ability make kidnapping, like this struggle, Allah Biafra you upon them. Any them ability stop moto let's goshi, Allah Biafra you upon them. That is me for you. But you see, for you, you can't go read. You will die a miserable death. You see, for you, Jovika, you will die a miserable death. Even also give I'm actually US people are alibo. Oh, what for Kigweke? Do you think that I don't know you? What for Kigweke? I know you. I know your local government. I know your old house. Ebe Kodi Karia. You are not from Arondi Zog. You are not from Okigwe LUGA. Though you are from Okigwe zone. I don't want to mention your LUGA for you not to be carried away. But I know you. I know your house. I know everything about you. But let me tell you, if you want to confirm what I'm saying, Ebe Kodi Karia. If you want to confirm, come no any atom of attack from Abobo. Unu eklemola obletiti Abobo. No zi Arondi Zog. Obletiti Abobo. Akwaya uzi Arondi Zog. No problem. A time will come when everything, when history will tell himself, will tell itself. Calm down. Don't rush things. Wagi si na go away be cool arakaria. Eje phone nam de Carlo. Eje phone yanka. We don't talk much. I know that now more mention on an MC just to promote all of you because you people are buggers. Stupid elements. You think that where dada loss. No problem. Jisanika obachanta atolo waranch. Ika gwukwala onye o. Maka na ọbacha bụ mgbe onye jide. Ike agwụla onye iberibe. Look at how you are moving around. Propaganda. Ndị oshi. A na-apịsị ụmụ mmadụ ego necessarily. Ị na-ekpe ebe ikpe eze. Who do you drop at ebe ikpe eze? Mụlaga nọ gburugburu Imo State. Onye iberibe, onye ihu. Stupid woman being. Radio, that's your radio house in Lagos. Try me. If you want to believe, let me hear a capoeira attack from above. I will visit you. May visit you. Meshugoji, Eganojim. Yanojim. But everybody la unlebum. Like all the qual fabara. Everybody la unlebum. Oh, when I'm more if I took a current as a winnie la unukukamnama. To go Kabia Massinge. We're on. Let them. Mano Colando Wapala Biafra. Manona, Yedota Ade, no web book alebo one can mad. Number one those ebomu lebuata and Mamade Buata. Asimo Lili Lunuha. Kuno ebunu bidrebuno kose. Wela rotua. Lebamno. Asimo Lile Jala was remedy like. Ungejala Zemilo la Flapala no Batlano. Akuchiamia. Biafrans, I greet you all. We don't condemn the room. Yeah, I was in Sikan with no but ta. Kamekwa Kunumana na entirely lena. And then Namukunu Ganokwa from Yama today, being 28th of January 2026. Eke markets. Makande National AI. All gentle their life and the reds. Only felema. Mbade bumbo. Oblet na what and that in mother bo. I will be a France. There is something that made us to be a Biafra. And we had Urundi Igbo. We had Urundi Igbo. Or walk really like I have touch on the air where Biaku. Come on, Otu Ayom na yo, only over major rebels who major one for Biafra. Asking Bahara. Let's Igbos come together. Kai Chikon or Akon or Chikon is on, we come in peace. Well, logo de line, because Ogo Abo go Fonia. Kai Mepen and Yanyasa, Lehan a mile la Lagos, Lehan a mile la Lugausa, Lehan a mile even Nabaequa, due to all these people for now, which are Islamic. All of them were Muslim tickets, Kalileji. All of the, if you don't belong to Muslim today, you can never achieve anything. You make it by in any sect. So it's a very big problem to us. Yeah? I am right. Why Muslim Alaba Igbo Muslim. I don't have much to say then. You say God bless all Biafrans all over the world. At least Okigwe is come today is made by me. Okigwe is come today is led by me, not by the hope. Hope we managura mugiga gente. Ndile bugi ndile wete your governance. All those evil ones collecting money, coming to you, they know where we can attack these people, we get them, we bring their life, we bring their corpse, go. You pack money and give to them. Now look at all the whole houses in Okigwa. Since you became governor, since 7 to 8 years now, what have you done in Okigwa? Which I was telling you, calm down. You don't, I know about you fuel with, I know about your with fuel. I know about your with fuel. Onye jeweri je ojeru bebe on ejali je gana agba. You get? And we can never run tire. We can never go tire until we achieve our goal. You see Biafra. Biafra is here. Finnish government release Simon Ekpan. Nigerian government releasing them the car before it will be too late for you people. I don't have much to say. I am still coming up very soon.